Hello students, I Sneha Sharma, your English teacher, welcomes you to your English 1 class. Today we will be starting chapter 21, that is conjunctions. So before we know what conjunctions are, let us read the conversation between Rajan and his mother. So over here, Rajan, have you bought the things I told you to buy from the market? So he is saying, yes, mother, I did buy everything on the list, but I think I forgot to take the balance money back and the bill. So she is saying, why? I was in a rush because I wanted to reach home before it became too dark. So you can see there are highlighted words over here, but, and, because. So what are these highlighted words? So these highlighted words over here are called conjunctions. And what are conjunctions? Conjunctions are words that join two words, group of words or sentences together. Okay, so they have the ability to join two words, group of words or sentences together. And some common conjunctions are and, but, because, or, and so. So these are some conjunctions that are most commonly used. Okay, and they are used to join two words, group of words or sentences together. Okay, now for here example you can see he is young and handsome. So you see these two words are joined with the conjunction and. Deepa is simple but Deepti is clever. So again we are differentiating between two group of words. Deepa is simple but Deepti is clever. I bought a sandwich because I was hungry. Again over here these sentences are joined together with this conjunction because. Okay, in the first example the conjunction and joins two words, that is young and handsome. In the second example the conjunction but joins two groups of words, that is Deepa is simple and Deepti is clever. In the third example the conjunction because joins two sentences, that is I bought a sandwich and I was hungry. So you see the explanation I have given is over here explained more properly. Now over here use of conjunctions and, but, or, so, because. So let us read the use of and understand it. Use of and, but, or, so and because. So conjunction and, what is its function? To join words or sentences that are similar. Okay, for example, Atul and Vimal loves to take photographs, means these two have the similarity that they love to take photographs. That is why and as conjunction is used. Next conjunction but. What is its function? To join opposite thoughts or think that are different. So it is cloudy but it won't rain today. So again opposites in thought, that it is cloudy but it will not rain. Conjunction or, to show a choice or alternative. So here you can see the choice or alternative. Okay. For example, you see we can eat at home or go to a restaurant. So this shows a choice as well as an alternative also. So choice is you can eat at home or you can have a alternative of going to a restaurant. The conjunction so, what does it has the function? To show that the second idea is the result of the first. So whatever the result, it shows that second idea, whatever the second idea has been caused because of the result of the first. So Maria was very hungry, so she ate all the cake. So over here you see Maria was very hungry. This is the first to show that the second idea is the result of the first. So the second idea over here is she ate all the cakes. Why she ate? Because she was very hungry. So the result of the first thing, okay, that is very hungry. So she ate all the cake. Now the conjunction because, to say why something happens. So it answers why that something has happened. So example, I can't play with you. Why? I can't play with you today. Why? Because I have a test tomorrow. So there is a reason I cannot play, because I have a test tomorrow. So this was the explanation of the chapter. Now quickly we will move on towards the exercise of the chapter. So the first part is underline the conjunctions in these sentences. So Dinesh and Ramu are brothers. So conjunction and. I have to buy some oranges and apples from the market. So again and. You can eat these chocolates but not the pastries. So but. He studied hard and stood first in the class. So again the word and. Conjunction. It rained this morning, so the roads would be slippery. So the conjunction so. Ratna threw the ball as high as she could, but it came down quickly. So again conjunction but. Now fill in the blanks with or, and, but, because, or so. So we have to fill in the blanks with these conjunctions. They cancelled their visit to the museum because it was closed that day. You must eat vegetables and fruits every day to stay healthy. I had to wait for an hour, so I decided to have a short nap. I could not find a bag to carry my clothes, so I am carrying them in my hand. He was feeling very sleepy, so he went to bed early. I will have bread and eggs for breakfast. Do you want to buy the blue coat or the black one? Mother went to the hospital because she was feeling unwell. Mamta is hardworking and intelligent. I went to buy a gift for my cousin, but the shop was closed. So you see, this explains everything that we have understood from the chart over here. So the use of and to join words or sentences that are similar, but to join opposite thoughts or things that are different, or is used to show a choice or an alternative. So is used to show that the second idea is the result of the first, and because to say why something happens. So you see, all these according to that chart we have solved this part of the exercise. Now moving to the last part of the exercise. So join these pairs of sentences using the conjunctions or, and, but, because, or so. So these words, these conjunction you have to use to join these pairs. Okay, correct the punctuation if required. So if any punctuation mark you need to do, so you have to correct it also. So the first one is I waited for my friend, she did not turn up. I waited for my friend but she did not turn up. We can play at home, we can play outdoors. So we can play at home or outdoors. It was a lovely shirt, I liked it very much. It was a lovely shirt, so I liked it very much. We wanted to go to the beach. It started raining. We wanted to go to the beach, but it started raining. She did not drink her tea. It was cold. So she did not drink her tea because it was cold. He wanted to eat grapes. There weren't any in the refrigerator. So he wanted to eat grapes, but there weren't any in the refrigerator. So here we have completed the exercise for this chapter. We have completed the explanation also. So I would request you to learn the exercise, go through the chapter and do the exercise in your books also. So that was all for today's class. Thank you.